Every week, I disappear down a research rabbit hole looking for opportunities worth sharing. Sometimes it's AI, sometimes emerging industries, sometimes business models hiding in plain sight. This week, I started with one question. What businesses quietly create wealth while everyone else chases the next big thing? I expected AI startups, software companies, maybe a few billion-dollar trends. That's not what happened. The deeper I went, the stranger it got. The same kinds of businesses kept appearing. Ones almost nobody dreams of owning, ones nobody brags about. Yet they survived recessions, inflation, tech shifts, decades of competition. At first I thought it was coincidence. It wasn't. By the end, I realized they all share the same hidden traits. I'll show you those at the end. But first, let me show you what I found. So, I kept a scorecard. 6 traits that kept showing up over and over. Watch it fill in. Let me start with the one everybody laughs at. The laundromat. Coin machines, fluorescent light, nobody behind the counter. Search around and you'll see a number that says almost 95% of laundromats survive. I went looking for where it came from. There is no source. Here's the honest one. About 78% of new American businesses make it past their first year. The magic was never a survival rate. It's that the machines run whether you're there or not, collecting quarters on a loop. That's trait 1, recurring revenue, money that comes in without you. Quick thing before we go on. This is what I do every week. I go and find the opportunities nobody's looking at, and I hand you the whole thing. If that's useful, subscribe or come see us at ideasrepay.com. We live and breathe this. Okay, back to it. Now make it a whole building full of metal doors. Self-storage. The renter always swears it's temporary. Then the payment just keeps going. Month 12, month 24, month 31, and they've forgotten what's even in there. You're charging for something people forget to cancel. Recurring, again, with almost nobody working the floor. Here's where it got interesting. Pest control. The money isn't the spray, it's the contract. Quarterly service on auto-renew on a route that never stops. And that is exactly why the smart money noticed first. Recurring pest companies sell for roughly 3.5 to 10 times their earnings, so private equity is quietly buying up the little family operators and gluing them together. This one you could start this weekend. Pressure washing. A machine, a trailer, and the grime wipes away to reveal cash underneath. And it's the most fragmented business you will ever see. Thousands of solo operators who never talk to each other. Trait 3. When nobody is organized, there's room to become the one who is. Every office you have ever walked into gets cleaned by someone you never see. Commercial cleaning. The money isn't the mop. It's the contract, a building on a monthly agreement that renews without a single conversation. One person cleans one building. Then you hire, and it becomes a crew cleaning 40. Trait 4. It systemizes, so you stop being the worker. Okay, the one nobody wants to say out loud. Porta-potties. Every festival, every construction site, every wedding in a field, somebody owns those units and rents them out by the day. Go ahead and laugh. The owner is laughing too. Almost no competition, because nobody's ego will let them start it. People will pay a shocking amount to make a pile of stuff disappear. Junk hauling. A truck, 2 people, and a phone. And here's the tell. This one already got rolled up. Junk King, one of the big brands, was bought by Neighborly, which is backed by the private equity giant KKR. The boring local hauler became a Wall Street asset. Now the one that quietly beats the robots. Appliance repair. You cannot download a technician into a broken fridge. The work is physical, on-site, unpredictable. Trait 5. A human has to show up, and that is the whole moat. This next one might be the most durable business in the country. Non-medical senior home care, companionship, errands, help around the house. And look at who it serves. 61 million Americans are 65 or older. 18% of the country, up from 12% in 2004. By 2030, Every baby boomer is over 65. By 2034, seniors outnumber children for the first time ever. That is a wave you can see coming for decades, recession-proof and AI-proof at the same time. Which brings me to the ones the billionaires are actually chasing: heating, cooling, and plumbing. The skilled trades are growing, not shrinking. The government projects electrician jobs up 9% this decade. You can't offshore a furnace or download a plumber. And private equity is rolling all of it up: HVAC, plumbing, electrical, pest control, landscaping, pool. Look at what already happened to vets. About 75% of specialty practices are now corporate-owned. One family business at a time, bought and combined until a boring local trade becomes a Wall Street asset. Trait 6. A real buyer waiting at the end. So here is what the scorecard was telling me the whole time. Every single one shared the same 6 traits: fragmented competition, recurring revenue, physical, AI-resistant work, demand that never turns off. It systemizes so you can hire your way out, and a real buyer waiting at the end. It was never about the laundry, or the storage, or the trucks. It was about those 6 traits showing up together. And that quietly changed how I think about opportunity. Most people are hunting for a brilliant idea. The people getting rich are hunting for a boring problem that never goes away. One of those is fragile. The other one compounds. So the next time your gut says that's too boring to bother with, that might be the exact sound money makes right before someone else hears it. I go looking for opportunities like this every week. That's the whole idea behind Ideas Repay. I'll see you down the next rabbit hole.